question about Borer, but in regards to Shabbos, are we allowed to use a water filter during Shabbos?
That's the big question. That's the problem. Well, what is the problem? Because you filter is a separation for sure, right? So our sages say that if you would not drink unfiltered water because of the impurity, right? Because your personal preferences, or because there are real impurities that, let's say, city authorities say don't drink it, right? So then you would not be allowed to drink this kind of water from the filter, because for you it is impure. So you must separate bad from good. So for sure, like bad stays in the filter, whatever bad is, right? All these elements, maybe bacteria, I don't know what, right? Some bugs, small bugs from the water, and the rest the rest of the water going through. So in this case, you would not be allowed. But they say if a person does not care, okay, it's I have a filter and it's a little better water. I mean, I would drink it without filter. For example, the filter broke down, or I did not order the filter, or I forgot, whatever the situation is. So I would drink from the tap water. There is no problem. I'm not that picky. So for that person, there is no problem. A person can drink the filtered water. But person who said no, like some people, they're so particular. I'm going to drink only bottled water. Okay, so for that person, he would not be allowed to drink this filtered water. Absolutely not, because for him it is a mixture. For me, it would be a little improvement, which is there is no problem. But for him, it is a mixture, so for him it would be forbidden. So that's the answer. So, for example, I have one colleague that I used to work with, and he moved to Salt Lake City. We had another office in there, so he wanted to live in that place, Salt Lake City, and once I visited him there, and the water there is very bad, like heavy water. So he showed us in the basin like 3 filters, and it's a requirement. So you're not allowed to drink water. It's like it's going to kill you, right? Okay. So in this case, of course, the people would need to prepare the water for drinking before Shabbos, for sure. That's I think that's a perfect example.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.